just behind me. Whoa, this is crazy. Yeah, an accident happened just behind. I heard it. I heard the tire and then bang. I heard the tire screeching. Let me change lane here so I can be in my right lane going forward. It's gonna be a little slower, but I'd rather be in my lane right now. Let me go in my lane right now so I don't. Yeah, let me be in my lane. Yeah, guys, yep, accident behind me. That's gonna slow down the traffic even more. Yeah. I heard the sound, man. I heard the tire screech and then bang! I don't know how bad it is, but I saw it. I didn't see. I see the vehicles involved in my rearview mirror, but. So we just took exit 63rd Street, and we're gonna pass the dock, and then we're gonna go to pick up the bridge from the other side. That's how we are. See what I can show you guys, if I can show you guys some good footage right here. Try to see what I can get you guys, you know. See, you see, this is the kind of nonsense that these guys are doing in that weather. That's why you get those unnecessary accidents, you know. He's just gonna cut me off, and he's in a compulsory right turn. But he decided, you know what, I'm just gonna cut this guy off and go straight forward. See, LDS 3447. You understand? Terrible driver in that road condition. So we're going over to second half. This is first half. We're going over to second half. One stop here, one stop there. It would be too easy to stop on the same side, you know that, right? So here. Bridge, we're going to turn right here and then a loop, and we're going to get the loop that's going to take us into the bridge. So the rain is coming down heavy now. Woo! Woohoo! 2nd Avenue and 63rd. So I don't know if you guys can see the sign where it says Queensboro Bridge. That's where we're going to be making that turn. So we're 5 minutes into this. I don't know if you guys want to stay until I get to my destination. I only have 29% left. So yeah, I know. Let's kill the battery. Huh? We'll kill it. We'll kill the battery. We'll kill it. Trump. Oh, it would have been nice for him to get that Trump. You guys see the Trump? Do you guys see the Trump? The Roosevelt Avenue Trump? Oh, Roosevelt Island, sorry. Roosevelt Island Trump. You guys, oh man. It would have been nice if that light had changed for us to get it. But I don't think we'll get it. No, we're gonna miss it. See the Trump going down. I don't know if you guys can see the Trump going down. This is the cable for the truck right there. Oh, okay. Coach Bridge. There to the bridge. Come on, guys. I gotta get away from back there. Oh. So now we're on the bridge heading back. Terrible rains. Oh, now we get a break. Let's see if I can turn that off, give you guys some better view of that bridge on a rainy day. Nope, the rain is coming. The water is seeping. Oh man, the water is seeping through. Oh man, you can't see. I can't even tell you guys. Let me show you the windows because the windows are all foggy. Foggy out now. Yeah. But we're gonna make it. This is the Trump, part of the Trump for Roosevelt Island. Yeah. I don't know if you guys saw it, but hey, you guys seeing what I'm seeing, so I'm just letting you guys see what I'm seeing. This is a river over there. I don't know if you guys can see the silos there. You know, you see it's so cloudy that you can't even see it because the clouds are so far down that you can't even see the silo. Train, at least I can show you guys the train coming around the bend. I don't know which one it is. I never seem to know which one exactly it is, but you can see it coming around the bend. I don't know if you guys can actually see it there, but this is it coming around the bend. Yeah, it's right on top of us now. Yeah, you can't really see much of it. Yeah. But that's the train track right there. Might be the 7. I don't know. Could be the end of the let me see, yeah, that's because the 7 will be going that direction. They meet up there, but the 7 will be going that direction and the end up be going in this direction. Here's our story. Excuse me. Falling. Yeah, man. Let me see. it's coming down, guys. It's coming down. Yeah. Ooh, it's coming down in the vehicle. It's coming down. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's the NW train track right there. Yeah, it's coming down, guys. Oh. Yep, it's coming down. Man, I'm telling you, these people are idiots, man. You know you're gonna take the lane and you still not trying to position yourself properly. Like, come on. Come on. Somebody's cut me off right there. Yep. I wonder if I go that way. There's a 7-Eleven down there. Gas station here for, what's the price? I don't want to take a certain turn for $3.89. We are Northern Boulevard, guys. Northern Boulevard and what's that one? Standard Lane. Northern Boulevard and Standard Lane. Northern Boulevard and Standard Lane right there. Oh, I'll make this one. Whew. Standard Motor Products. So we're on 38th Street right now. Yeah, this is Queens. Yep. On a rainy day. Yeah. It's coming. It's coming. Northern Boulevard. As you can see. Man. This guy go left, I'm going right there. Place, 42nd Street, 42nd Place, Copel. Chevrolet. Copel Hyundai. This is Major World. Right down 48th. Looking at 48th Street right here. To 48th Street right here. Alright, so this is where I'm going. No, I'm not going to Chuck E. Cheese's, but there is a Chuck E. Cheese's here. I'm making a turn right here to go to BJ's. Right? This is not going BJ's right here. Oh, really, dude? You're actually making a turn right here too? Are you so far out? Flooded here. Oof. It's a little flooded right here. You guys can see the little flooded area right here. If I can't find a parking anywhere here, I'll have to go and go. Oh man. It's flooded right here, not here, but I'm gonna park right here. Oh, I'm gonna park right here. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold it. Oh, man. Holy crap. I can't see anything with this thing. I can't see anything through those mirrors. Those mirrors are so fogged out. Those mirrors are so fogged out. Guys, let me pause the camera. I'll come back.